Good morning to today's debate session. My name is Amer, and our lesson today is about how to make a counter-argument. Okay? So you already know that to have a strong argument in a debate is very important, right? But it's not enough to have a strong argument. You need to have your argument stronger than the argument of your opponent. Okay? And if you give reason why your argument is stronger, that's even better. So a strong argument is very important. Your argument should be stronger than your opponent is also very important. And if you give reasons why your argument is stronger, that will make it even better. Okay? So we're going to have a short debate about cats and dogs, and I will ask you a few questions afterwards.
Hi, I have an argument. Cats are better than dogs because they are so cute and kids love them. It's fun for them to play with cats.
No, I don't think that cats are better than dogs. On the contrary, dogs are better than cats. Dogs are so clever and they will be your friends forever.
No. Believe me, there is no better pet than a cat. As I said, they are so cute, great playmates for kids. I don't understand why you don't agree with me.
Sorry, but I'm not really convinced with your arguments.
Thank you very much. So what do you think? Is this a strong argument?
I think that both of them don't have very strong arguments because they don't give logical reasons, they give feelings.
Only feelings. That's right. They don't give logical reasons,
Yes.
They only talk about their feelings. Okay, that's correct. Now we're going to have another debate about oranges and bananas. This debate is going to happen in 3 stages, and I will stop after each stage and ask you a few questions. Okay? So now Sam and George, let's get the podiums, please. Okay, go ahead.
I say bananas are better than oranges because they contain more potassium.
You say bananas are better than oranges, but I disagree. Oranges are way better than bananas.
Okay, thank you. What do you think? This is a good debate. Did you have a strong argument?
No, because both of them don't say logical reasons, they have just feelings, what they feel about oranges.
Okay, so no logical reasons. They talked about feelings, and it's not a good argument when you talk about feelings. Right, let's move on to stage number 2.
Bananas are better than oranges because they contain more potassium.
You say bananas are better than oranges, but I disagree. Oranges are way better than bananas because they contain more vitamin C.
Okay, what do you think now, Rashid?
I think salmon because vitamin C is better than potassium for me.
Okay, what do you think?
I think it's a tie because they both gave a reason.
Yes, that's right, Maria. It's a tie. Both of them gave a reason for their arguments. Okay, let's move on to stage number 3 now. Go ahead.
Bananas are better than oranges because they contain more potassium.
You say bananas are better than oranges, but I disagree. Oranges are way better than bananas because they contain vitamin C. My argument is stronger than yours because many foods contain potassium, but very little food contain vitamin C, which is why you should recommend oranges.
Okay, what do you think now, Ahmed?
I think Sam is the winner because first he summarized what George said,
Okay.
and second he said why he disagreed with George, and finally he said why his argument is stronger than George, which make the debate stronger.
Okay, thank you very much. This is true. So when you make a debate, it's important to prepare your counter argument, and it is done in three steps. Okay. First of all, you need to say or repeat what your opponent said. You begin with, you say that, blah 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 blah. Okay, and then you express your opinion. You begin with, I disagree, and you give reasons. I disagree because, blah, 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 blah. And then you need to state that your argument is stronger than your opponent's by beginning with, my argument argument is stronger than yours because, and you give the reasons. Okay? This will make your argument stronger and it will win a better debate. Okay? Now we're going to have a real debate between two groups. One is with animals being kept in zoos, and the other one is against animals being kept in zoos. Okay? We need to bring the podiums now.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed and I work with Maria and Trin to debate the topic, should animals be kept in zoos, yes or no? And we are on the side, yes, animals should be kept in zoos. We think that this debate is important for discussion. I hope it will be a good debate for everyone and I hope you have a nice time. Good luck.
Hello, my name is Rashid and my teammates are Sam and George. We are in the position no, animals shouldn't be kept in zoos. I hope this will be a great debate and I hope everyone has a good time.
Okay, so our first argument is that when we bring people and animals together, we have to educate the public.
You say that you are educating the public, but I disagree, because you are teaching the public that animals belong behind bars and not in natural habitat. And my argument is stronger than yours because animals should be, people should be educated that while animals are living in their habitat, not in a man-made habitat.
Our first argument is animals shouldn't be kept in zoos because animals in zoos experience inhuman behaviors, extreme conditions such as no nutrition and mistreating by humans.
I see your point of view, but I disagree, because mistreating animals happened in the past, but now there are well-trained zookeepers that help to provide the right amount of food, the right enclosure, and the right treatment for each animal.
I would connect to what Maria said, and I disagree with you, because zoos can help to save endangered species by keeping them in a safe environment, safe as protected from poachers, predators, lost habitat, and also even starvation. I have a new argument. Keeping animals in zoos can stop them becoming extinct in the wild. Placing animals in zoos is very good for animals' health, as they are provided with food, drink, treatment, and shelter, with the help of a zookeeper. This helps prevent the extinction of animals. So, the zoos preserves animals' life, and don't forget that human understanding can help animals.
You say that animals in zoos help them not become extinct. I disagree because it doesn't help them not become extinct. It does the opposite. Let me give you an example. Cheetahs don't breed well in captivity. Due to the stress caused by captivity, cheetahs become very nervous and can't breed at all. That makes them be extinct faster than ever.
Animals shouldn't be kept in zoos because zoos don't provide a healthy habitat for animals like food and shelter.
You say that the healthier of the animals to live in the wild. I see your point and I respect it, but I disagree because placing animals in zoos is very good because the zoo provides food, drinks, and shelter, and this saves their lives from extinction. My argument is stronger than yours because the animal's life is important and we should try to save it by placing them in the zoo, which prevent them from the dangers and the predators. I would say that by observing animal behavior, we can help those in the wild.
You say that by observing animals in cages, we can help animals in the wild. I disagree because animals' behavior in cages or in zoos is way different than those in the wild. They react worse than in the wild because they are not free. My argument is stronger than yours because when the animals are free, they are themselves. They hunt, they look for anything to eat. But in zoos, everything is provided, and they won't even know how to take care of them.
Okay, so thanks all for this debate. It was enjoyable, but me and my teammates are still sticking in our position that yes, animals should be kept in zoos. Thanks a lot, and we have a lot of fun.
Thank you for debating with us. It was very fun. You had some very strong and convincing arguments, but we are still sticking to our point. Animals should not be kept in zoos.